In this video, we're gonna make a sky lantern and we'll test it and we fly it. So watch this video till the end. What is going on, guys? Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a sky lantern. Alright, to make this lantern, you need to prepare wax paper, wire, tape, and paper glue. Okay, let's start to make it. I'm going to use this facial tissue and also some of these candles. got the lantern and we got the burner, so let's try it out. Alright guys, so I'm going to fly this lantern in my backyard, but I need to bind the lantern with this string first. I don't want the lantern fly too high. Okay, the string is set. Now I need to put the burner. Alright, the lantern's ready, let's fly it up. Alright guys, look at this. It actually flies. So you can see how the burner works. So it just looks like a hot air balloon. This is awesome. So it's better if you fly this lantern at the night, because you know cold air is heavier than hot air. So the hot air inside the lantern push the lantern up. So it works, it's that simple. Well, I got an idea. Let's fly this lantern at the beach.
Tomorrow.
Alright guys, so I already at my favorite beach in Sanur. So this is Murtasari beach. It's very beautiful place. You can see the view, the beach view over there. They're also field here. They're usually kite festival here. So you can see the plane over there. You can see the sunset. And you can also see the landmark from here. Pretty cool, isn't it? Alright guys, so I'm going to fly the lantern here. So let's set it up. Alright guys, before I release this lantern, I want to make a wish that I hope I don't get infected by the coronavirus. Woo, it's flying!
At last I see the light, and it's like the fog has lifted. And at last I see the light, and it's like the sky is new, and it's warm. And at last I see.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, smash like, share to your friends, and please subscribe if you want to see my next video in the future. See ya!
And it's like